Namaste, good morning to Sunshine English Medium School family and all viewers and my dear student. From today, I am going to teach you English tenses and you have to means listen and watch carefully and you have to learn everything and you have to ask your doubts at last the end of the video there will be comment box and you can post your questions and you can clarify your doubts. So student, as we are learning online, we are learning English tenses. So from today we will go our classes in different way. Every tense means bit by bit we will discuss and we will learn the English tenses very wonderfully. So today I am going to teach you the lesson tenses and its different types. But before that, student, I want to encourage you to everyone that you learn English vocabulary, the English words. So you have to keep in your brain the words. If there is no word, you cannot express your feeling, statement, or any kind of sentence. So from today we will start the word bank, English word bank. So after that we will continue with our tense classes. So let us begin English word bank. So this is student our English word bank, opening our account. So with 5 auxiliary verbs, 5 different words. First is the English word is. You can see here is. Is ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଅଟେ ବା ଅଛି. ଇଜ୍ ମାନେ ଅଟେ ବା ଅଛି. ଆମେ ଇଜ୍ କାହା ସହିତ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିଥାଉ? ହି କିମ୍ବା ସି କିମ୍ବା ଇଟ୍ ବା କୌଣସି ନାମରେ. ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ହି ଇଜ୍ ଏ ବୟ, ସେ ଏକ ବାଳକ ଅଟେ. ଅର୍ ସି ଇଜ୍ ପ୍ଲେଇଂ, ସେ ଖେଳୁଅଛି. ସୋ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ଏମ୍. ଏମ୍ ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି, ଏମ୍ ର ଅର୍ଥ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଟେ କିମ୍ବା ଅଛି. ଆଉ ଏନ୍ ଆଇ ସହିତ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ. ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ଏ ବୟ, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ବାଳକ. ବା ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଏ ଗର୍ଲ, ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ବାଳିକା ଅଟେ. ଏଣ୍ଡ we can use in present continuous sentence. I am playing, ମୁଁ ଖେଳୁ ଅଛି. The next word is ARER. R ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଅଟ କିମ୍ବା ଅଛୁ କିମ୍ବା ଅଛ. ଆଉ ଆର୍ ଟା ଆମେ वी, दे, यू सहित व्यवहार करूँ. एग्जाम्पल, यू आर ए बॉय, यू आर ए गर्ल, वी आर प्लेइंग, एक्सेट्रा. देन स्टूडेंट, डिफरेंट वर्ड वाच, WAS, वाच. भलरे शुणु, वाच. तो स्टूडेंट आमे WAS वाज ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା ଥିଲା କିମ୍ବା ଥିଲି. ଦେଖ ଏଠି ଆମେ ୱାଜ୍ କୁ ହି, ସି, ଇଟ୍ କିମ୍ବା ଆଇ ବା କୌଣସି ନାଁ ସହିତ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁ. ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ହି ୱାଜ୍ ପ୍ଲେଇଂ. ଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାର୍ଡ WERE, ୱେର୍. ୱେର୍ ମାନେ ଥିଲ କିମ୍ବା ଥିଲେ କିମ୍ବା ଥିଲୁ. ଆମେ ୱେର୍ କୁ वी, यू, दे सहित व्यवहार करूँ. एग्जाम्पल, वी वेर प्लेइंग. एटा आमे पास्ट कंटिन्यूस सहित आमे यूज करूँ ए ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब को. यू वेर प्लेइंग, दे वेर प्लेइंग. सो स्टूडेंट, एपरी सबुदिन 5 बा जदि अधिका शिखि पारुछंती शिखंतु वर्ड. आउ वर्ड बैंक रो जदि आमर बहुत अच्छी वर्ड सेतबेले आमे फटाफट इंग्लिश सेंटेंस गुड़ाक करि पारिबा। तेबे आसंतु आमे हमर क्लास को स्टार्ट करिबा टेंस रो प्रेजेंट टेंस रो प्रेजेंट सिंपल। तो स्टूडेंट हमर प्रीवियस क्लास रे समस्त शिखी अछंती प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रो तीनटा फॉर्मटा एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड क्वेश्चन। तो एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस टा आई प्ले मु खेले, ही प्लेस से खेले। ये देखो तार नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आई डू नॉट प्ले बा आई डोंट प्ले, इट इज शॉर्ट फॉर्म डोंट। ही डजंट प्ले, ही डजंट प्ले। क्वेश्चन टा डू यू प्ले, तमे खेलो कि? डज ही प्ले, से खेले कि? तो आम प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रो ये तीनोटी फॉर्म रही अछि। आमे चलंतु शिखि नेबा किछि आम प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रो रूल्स। There are some several rules. We only use s ending. Example, plays. Sorry. So in the third person singular we use plays, s ending plays। आमे देखो प्ले पाखरे s टा लगेलु, he plays, किंतु we add es in this third person singular, so to the verb which ends in ss, sh, ch, x and o। Example, misses, finishes, watches, mixes, goes। So if the verb ends in a consonant and y, we change y into I and use the es ending। So carry, एठार देखो y ending अच्छी consonant, सेठी आमे y टाक चेंज कर दउछु I और es टा ऐड करा जायछि। carry, carries, try, tries, but play, plays रहि जायछि because this verb ends with a vowel, play, a। ध्यान रे सुनंतु, play, way, carry, एठी y आसिला, so एटा plays ही रहिबो। So student, the uses of present simple, we use the present simple tense for activity that happens again and again, every day, sometime, ever, never। तो देखो, I sometime play cricket, you don't play cricket, do they play cricket, he often plays, she doesn't play, does she play। So student, we have learned next uses, we use it for fact that are always true, जोड़ा कि गोटे फैक्ट, जोड़ा कि गोटे सत्यता उपरे थाए, से सेंटेंस टा हमें प्रेजेंट सिंपल व्यवहार करू। एग्जांपल, सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, सूर्य पूर्व दिगरे उदय हुए। काउस ईट ग्रास, गाय माने घास खाती। सो नेक्स्ट uses is with a future time expression, example tomorrow or next week। So the present simple is used for planned future action or timetable। Example, the train leaves at 10:15, they return tonight। So student, we have learned the uses of present simple sentence। So we use this for the activity happens again and again, or we use it for facts that are always true, or we with a future time expression, the present simple is used for planned future action। So I hope student you have learned this present simple clearly। So you learn the vocabulary, you raise your word bank, English word bank, and if any doubt student, you can ask your questions and you can learn online। So thank you for watching, everybody have a good day, bye।